in our last call, you told me to create an emergency fund, which will be like 3 to 6 months of living.
So
My
just to
question is
recall,
that,
Noah, you do Uber? Is this the Uber?
yeah, that's it.
Okay, and you have no debt, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, you want to create an emergency account. Like just 3 months is minimum. That's fine. But then you want to
okay,
use the rest of the money like to invest it in yourself. Like
yeah,
get a new skill.
okay. My question is that, just let's imagine that I've got like $500 left at the end of the month. So, how much will I take to create the emergency fund? How much does I need to invest in like myself, and how much does I need
Okay, so right now
invest in?
you don't need to invest in yourself whatsoever. In my whole program that I'm building is that while you're doing it, you can invest 1%. But the goal is just to set it up so you know how it works and to see progress. But your priority now is to just build an emergency account. Now, the main factor is going to be you're going to need what I call a bare bone budget. I think I told you this before. Shelter, utilities, transportation, and groceries. Those are your four
Yep.
main expenses. Everything else you cut it out. Whatever money is left over, you throw it into the emergency account for 3 months. That's the goal.
Okay.
If you want to invest, you can do minimum 1%. If you want to have fun, not minimum, the only thing, the limit is just 1%. 1% fun, 1% charity if you want to do that also, 1% investing. But that's it. Your priority here is just saving up for this emergency fund. Once you get to 3 months, usually the other step would be, hey, you start investing more money and then basically going ahead and basically, hey, I'm gonna buy my home. You don't have a high income last time I checked, right? You make like is it like 600 like $1,000 a month?
How much will I make? How much does I make total?
How much do you make per month?
Like 800.
Yeah, so if you're making $800, right? The goal is that yeah, so your expenses are very low also, right? And I remember you live in like a small town. So the goal is once you have the emergency account, the account needs 3 months worth of your very important expenses that you should be following as a rigid budget. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So once you have that money in there, it'll take you maybe like a month or 2-3 months to actually have that money. You put that money aside. The rest of the money now, once you have that account, is you got to start investing into yourself. You save up either for a car, like I told you last time, to drive from where you're located to where you need to go to actually find a good enough job to actually make you more money. Once you're making
Mm-hmm.
more money there, the answer is you use that money to basically say, hey, let me maybe get a license or go to college or learn a new skill, whatever it is, to earn more money.
Yeah.
I don't know, for example, if in the UK they have, for example, like linemen. They
Mm-hmm.
probably should, but linemen here in the US are people that take like 2 years on average to actually get that degree or like that trade job certificate, and they can earn
Yeah.
anywhere from like $120,000 to like $200,000. So
Okay.
also electricians make a lot of money. Elevator repair people make a lot of money. If you don't want to go to college, the answer is there's a lot of opportunities out there. But what you don't want to be is 45 years old making $1,376 like your mom. And the big thing is, what you want to do is you want to get a skill that can earn you more money. In life, you're only paid what you're worth. What you're worth is a skill that you can actually perform in this economy.
Mm-hmm.
That's the big
Okay.
thing. The
Okay.
planet, the planet is not gonna change. That's it.
Bum 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 ba da 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 ba da. You've got to stop.